Hi, Michael Gaffney here with this genie in a bottle. What do you do with a container like this? A lot of you are afraid to handle these. This is for your large events and designs in the big ballrooms. I'm going to show you what to do. And I'm also going to give you the 5 reasons my flowers live forever, seemingly forever. Weeks and weeks and weeks. Cut flowers. Yes, you heard me correct. Cut flowers. I'm going to start with a bunch of equistidium. Grows along the highways of Wisconsin. I'm going to collar it with these big, nice Monstera leaves. That's not hard to do. Just sort of wrap them around your equistidium. And then I'm going to drop the whole thing into my container. And I'm half done with this design already. Like that. We're getting all ready for the Academy Awards, lobby entrance seat. Then I'm going to start push these in so they're nice and snug, holding my equistidium. I'm going to add some white Casablanca lilies. Like that. These are going to open up into big white orbs in a day or two. Filling the hall with fragrance and beauty. So white Siberian lilies. I use them a lot for big events. Again, tuck these in. They're nice and perky. And 5 reasons my flowers live forever. Number 1, buy good flowers. Find a source where they have fresh flowers. Get a wholesale license. You can buy wholesale. Go to LA Flower Market. Number 2, put some bleach in the water. Bleach will stop the bacteria from growing. Last thing we'll do is add some asparagus right in the top. Number 3, Crown and Glory. Spray them with Crown and Glory. Number 4, cut an inch off every once in a while. Number 5, soak them underwater when they are dying. Those are your 5 reasons your flowers will seemingly last forever. I'll repeat it. 1, buy good flowers. 2, bleach in the water. 3, Crown and Glory. 4, cut an inch off every once in a while. And 5, soak them underwater when they're dying. That will deliver you flowers. My flowers in my house last for 3 to 4 weeks. All those tips are in my book. Oop, right there, American in Paris. My new book came out about a year and a half ago. You can get it online, flowerschool101.com. Let's go back from our hotel lobby piece. So, flowerschool101.com. Keep blooming.